All right, we are back at our Deluxe Shed. We are just about ready for paint, if not totally ready for paint. Let's go have a look and see where things are at, because this is the last video that we'll be taking here until we shoot the reveal video. But we're so close. Let's take a look. The last time we were here, this was just all flat and kind of boring looking, if you'll recall. We now have the mullions on, or battens rather, battens on here, and so that gives it that board and batten feel and look similar to what the house looks like. All of these details are done. The soffit is in and looking fantastic. And then in here, like, look at the craftsmanship in here. Plywood walls, good to hang everything up in here. Nice skylights for natural light. It's a pretty awesome shed. I mean, let's be honest. It's pretty cool. It's all done, right? Just gotta throw a coat of paint and we're buttoned up and finish up some landscaping, but yeah, it's looking great. So, Sprucehill, what can we do for you? Everything. A little bit of paving stones, not a lot. Shed, addition, custom home, second story addition, whatever you can dream of or think of to do at your home, give us a shout. We'll do a great job for you, I promise. Thank you so much for watching. Stay awesome.